We've arrived. Está muy frío el agua, está muy frío el agua, está muy frío este agua, me está helando los pies. Uy. Así es, así mero. So next time, guys, vamos a cruzar la agua. Hay que cruzar mucho más.
Animal dropping on this thing.
What's going on, guys?
Nothing, just got hit in the knee. Gonna check it out. Just some scratch.
We're going out there.
Oh.
It's pretty cool. We're in the rainforest of Alaska by the ocean, and it's my favorite forest thus far here in Alaska. It's beautiful, it's green, and there's no mosquitoes, so it's pretty cool.
No rain.
The wheat is from Kansas, and the molasses comes from Missouri.
Well, sir, we'll do without molasses.
Here we are at a new campsite.
Hesitate about it.
Oh, Grandma.
We've upgraded.
Now we're here in Texas. Lots of nice.
We kind of enjoy it. We're still stuck on one bed. Not because we don't have anything else, just because we like it.
We're from Kansas.
Hey, Brent.
From Kansas.
Hey, Oli.
Ooh, look at that.
Hey, Chris.
I don't think much of who
What's up?
This is where our living quarters are. We're packing up. Already had breakfast. Getting ready to go. We got Chris and Lindsay to thank for this beautiful room. Thank you, Chris. I haven't thanked you yet, and I'm going to thank you on camera.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Lindsay. Thank you, Oli. Thank you, Queer. I mean, Brett.
You speak any Indian?
You speak any Indian?
This is the very best thing for those who can't handle cleanliness.
Speak any Indian?
Later, guys.